Today we will learn about traffic light safety. Stop, wait, and go. Watch me first. We are at the road. Look at the traffic light. It is red. Red means stop. Show me stop. Good stopping. Now let's try together. Look at the light. It is yellow. Yellow means wait. Show me wait. Nice waiting. Now it's your turn. The light is green. Green means go. Before going, look left, right, left. Now walk. Excellent, safe crossing. Red means stop. Yellow means wait. Green means go. Look left, right, left, and walk. You are doing great. One more time. Look at the light. Tell me the color and show me what to do. Amazing! You cross safely. When the light is red, stop. When the light is yellow, wait. When the light is green, look and go. We cross safely. Great job learning to stay safe today. See you next time.